Hey guys, it's Naomi. Today for our Crafts Bakes and Beyond channel, I'm going to make Marshmallow Dream Bars. Make sure to put on an apron and tie back your hair if you have long hair, and make sure to wash your hands first. I got this recipe from a basic recipe, but I changed it a little. Let's get started. You'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, cups of marshmallows, and make sure to save some extras. 4 cups of crispy rice cereal, a splash of vanilla, canola cooking spray for your pan. So put your butter in the pan. Make sure to save the wrapper for later. Make sure to save your wrapper for later. Just wait for it to melt. So now our butter is mostly melted. So now we'll add our marshmallows. Just stir those around until they get melted. So you can see the marshmallows are melting a little. Make sure to keep stirring them. Scoop them under a little. We're just gonna wait until they melt all the way. You might think they're melted, but they might not be yet. It's when you can't see any bumps. Now that it's mostly smooth, we're ready to pull it off the heat. I like to add a little splash of vanilla in. I like to add a little splash of vanilla in. And just stir that around. Just before you add the crispy rice cereal. Alright, so now we'll add the cereal. And stir that around so it gets coated with the marshmallows. We've got most of our cereal incorporated in. You can add more if you'd like. I like them more chewy, but if you like a firmer bar, you can add more. Now I'm going to add some of those leftover marshmallows I told you to keep, and just add them in. This makes them this is my secret ingredient, and just stir them around. We're putting the crispy rice cereal into the pan, the mixture, okay. So we'll just add that into the pan. Added that to the pan. We'll use the butter wrapper we left behind. If you forgot, you can use a spatula to press it down. It's already greasy, so it won't get stuck to the Rice Krispies. You made some yummy Marshmallow Dream Bars, but you can't eat them yet. Now you have to wait for a little while before you can eat them so they can cool. So now that these have had a chance to cool, let's try them. They're really good. Kids like them a lot, so it might be a good thing to make for a birthday party or something. Alright, that's all. Please like and subscribe.